Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for the latest in automotive reviews. Today we're diving into the future of luxury travel with the all-new 2026 Isuzu Oasis, a van that redefines what it means to hit the road in style, comfort, and performance. Starting with the front, the 2026 Isuzu Oasis boasts an assertive yet sophisticated design. Its bold, diamond-patterned grille is seamlessly integrated with ultra-slim, adaptive LED headlights, giving it a futuristic edge. The sculpted hood features aerodynamic lines that not only enhance the aesthetics, but also improve airflow for better efficiency. The chrome accents subtly highlight the premium feel, while the LED daytime running lights add a signature glow, making the Oasis instantly recognizable on any road. Moving to the rear, the design continues to impress with a clean, minimalist look. The full-width LED light bar stretches elegantly across the tailgate, complemented by sleek vertical brake lights. A subtle roof spoiler adds a sporty touch, while the power tailgate with hands-free operation speaks to the van's focus on convenience. Stepping inside, the driver's cockpit is nothing short of a tech haven. The Oasis features a fully digital instrument cluster paired with a large floating infotainment touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The minimalist dashboard design, combined with premium materials like soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient LED lighting, creates an atmosphere of understated elegance. The true magic of the Isuzu Oasis lies in its living space. Designed for both comfort and functionality, the spacious cabin features plush, reclining seats with massage functions and climate control. Yes, you heard that right. The Oasis comes with a dedicated bedroom space. This area features a full-size bed with memory foam mattress, ambient mood lighting, and even a retractable privacy screen. Under the hood, the 2026 Isuzu Oasis doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a next-generation turbocharged diesel engine paired with a mild hybrid system, delivering robust power and impressive fuel efficiency. While official pricing hasn't been announced yet, industry insiders predict the starting price to be around $85,000, with fully loaded versions reaching up to $120,000, depending on customizations and features.